In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Virgin Money branches and ATMs near you step by step. Whether you're planning to visit a Virgin Money branch for personal banking or simply need to locate an ATM for a quick transaction, this guide will walk you through the process easily and effectively using just a few clicks. So let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to the Virgin Money UK website. Simply fire up your web browser and enter the URL, which is uk.virginmoney.com. If you're using a search engine like Google, you can also just type Virgin Money UK into the search bar, and the correct link should appear at the top of the search results. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a world of information about Virgin Money's products and services, but today we're focusing specifically on finding branches and ATMs. Once you've reached the website, scroll down the page until you spot the option labeled Branch Finder. You might find this option nestled among other useful resources, so take your time to locate it. The Branch Finder link is your door to discovering all the branches and ATMs around your area, so go ahead and click on it. After clicking the Branch Finder link, you'll be directed to a new page. Now simply scroll down until you see a map displayed on the page. The map is interactive and designed to show you the precise locations of Virgin Money branches and ATMs. It's easy to navigate through, but to make things clearer, you might want to zoom in for a better view of the map. To zoom in, just look for the plus button located on the lower right corner of the map. Clicking this button will enlarge the view, helping you see the locations more clearly. As you zoom in, you'll notice red dots scattered across the map. Each of these red dots represents a different branch or ATM location. Take a moment to explore the map and identify the red dots that are closest to your location or convenient for your visit. Once you've pinpointed a red dot that interests you, click on it. Clicking on a red dot will bring up a pop-up window on the left-hand side of the map. This window displays detailed information about the branch or ATM you selected. You'll see the branch address, its operating days and hours, and even the services available at that specific branch. This information is particularly useful if you have specific banking needs or are planning to visit within certain hours. And there you have it. A straightforward method to find Virgin Money branches and ATMs near you. Armed with this information, you can confidently plan your visit, ensuring it fits seamlessly into your busy schedule. Thank you for watching, and happy banking.